Okay, today we're looking at the S&P. This is a Gann Square. You start from the low 666 back in March of 2009, and we project this square higher. I'm not going to tell you exactly how I do this square. Some of you will figure it out, but the reality is I just want to highlight today that this high was 1/4 of the way through the square in time. This is halfway, formed a low. 3/4 of the distance through the first square in time gave you a high, and then the completion of the first square gave you an important low, off which you got a big rally into high, 1/4 of the distance through the second square, and then here we are in June of 2020, forming a high in sync with the midway, the halfway point in the second square. We're getting a move down. We saw a big move down here on June 11th. We're also 135 months from the low. As those of you who know Gann, 135 is a big number. 45, 90, 135, 180. These are all big numbers on a daily time frame, but on a weekly, more important. On a monthly, hugely important. So there is some logic here. But it doesn't stop there. This is just one chart. I can go on and explain this, but what I really like to do is offer you a great opportunity to try out the service for 3 months at a very low discounted rate. This is basically to get you in the door at a rate that you can afford. Hopefully you'll make a bunch of money trading that will offset the cost of the subscription 5-10 times over. That would be my goal. I don't just want to make you a little bit of money. I want to make you enough that, hey, you become a Gann convert. If nothing else, I think you should follow this chart. You can see the next square, the next division is out here, and then a completion of the second square out here. I'm telling you, this thing works. But you don't have to trust me. You can file this away and look, see what happens as we get to these divisions. And you can see already that it's worked every single time. You can see it offered support here. It works for price as well as time. But there's more I would like to show you, a lot more. I have over 100 charts on the S&P for Gann. So, I'm not going to show you all those charts today. I want you to take the service. But what I will say is that there is one chart that you will definitely want to see. It gave us the high on February 19th. It gave us the lower high on June 8th. So what is that chart? Well, that's what, that's the teaser here. That's what I want you to try the service for 3 months. Send me an email, ask for how much it costs, then make up your mind if you want to pull the trigger. If you don't want to pull the trigger, that's fine. No harm done. But I'm telling you, I don't know how much money was lost here today by people who do not believe in Gann cycles. That's their choice. I'm just saying, I know it works. You don't, maybe you're not sure, you think this might be some sort of come on. It is a come on, but I'm telling you, if you see the charts and you still don't believe it works, I'd be shocked, because mostly when I get somebody as a client, they stay with me because they see that this stuff really works. Now, I do have people I want to charge for it because, this thing is valuable. I'm not giving it away free, but I'm not charging a lot of money. For the first 3 months, I'm giving you a discounted rate because I want you to try it. I don't want you to think of money as the issue. So send me that email, ask about the discounted rate for new subscribers, and let's get you started. I put you on the service, I put you on my distribution list. You will receive reports on stocks, bonds, forex, commodities, and even digital currencies like, Bitcoin. So there's anything when you're a subscriber, you can request a market, and within a few days I can normally turn it around and get you Gann report on the market that you're interested in. There's no point in following stuff that you're not interested in. But I'm assuming a lot of you are interested in the S&P, and hence I'm showing you this Gann Square. This is a pretty cool chart, but this is nothing compared to the other charts that I've got to show you. And if you subscribe, I will show you those charts. I'll make you a believer in Gann. I have a lot of people who do fundamentals. That's fine. But they also like to supplement their fundamental research with some technicals. So a lot of my clients are fundamentalists, but that doesn't mean you can't do Gann. At least read some of the reports and see, is there something to this timing? Is there something that will help me in my investing and trading? Well, I'm a little biased. I think it will. That's up to you, though. You decide whether it's worth it to try it for 3 months. You try it for 3 months, okay, you don't like it, you're out the cost of that 3-month subscription, but it's not very much to begin with. But the whole point is, if it is something that you like, you continue and you will see value for money. I'm pretty confident that most of the people who subscribe, they continue with the service. And so I'm not interested in getting you for 3 months. That's not my goal. I'm offering you a 3-month subscription at a reduced rate to get you in the door, but I don't really care about having you for 3 months. I want you to be a lifetime subscriber. I want to prove to you that there's value in this service. It can help you with your investing and trading, no matter what market you're looking at. Gann works on all markets. It doesn't just work on stocks. It works on bonds. It works on everything. So try it out for 3 months. See if you like it. If you don't, no harm done. You're out the small fee that you paid for the 3-month trial subscription. But after that, you go your own way. But if you like it, you stay with me. That's my goal, is to keep you on board and make you a lot of money. So let's see how it goes. This is just one free chart for you. There's a lot more I could explain about this chart and where we're headed next. And if you become a subscriber, you will get all that information. Thanks for your time. Look forward to hearing from you. Send me an email, jamessmith@gannanalysis.net. Ask for how much it costs, and I'll send you a reply, and we'll get you on board.